Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today lecture is continuity of previous lecture that was about Pakistan resolution. We will move towards the next lecture. So today we learn about Cripps mission. Lesson aim. The aim of this lesson is to enable the students to know about the Cripps mission. Background of Cripps mission. In the Second World War, the Japanese forces were heading toward South Asia. The war seemed to be going in Japanese favor. The success of Japanese encouraged the Indian National Congress, the movements against the government by Congress. Congress leaders were confident that Japanese would hand over the power to the Indian after British defeat. The Muslims had already been demanding a separate state of their own and had passed the resolution of 1940. Arrival of Cripps mission. The government of Great Britain took an important step to solve the problems in India in 1942. Cripps proposal. Cripps announced his proposal on 29 March 1942. Following are its main points. First, status of domain. The subcontinent will be given the status of domain after the war. Second point is independence of the Indian. All government departments will be handed over to the Indian ministries, including defense, foreign affairs, and communications. Third point is Central Constitutional Assembly. A Central Constitutional Assembly will be formed to formulate a constitution. Fourth point is right of minorities. Special steps will be taken to provide safeguard to the minorities. Reaction of political parties. Muslim League. Quaid-e-Azam and All Indian Muslim League expressed thanks to Cripps and the government of Great Britain for the promise to the Muslim majority provinces free and independent status. The hint was a clear indication of the creation of Pakistan. All India Muslim League expressed thanks for the proposed steps for the protection of the rights of minorities. All India Muslim League discussed the proposal in the meeting and after long discussion. Congress. Gandhi and his political party, Indian National Congress, absolutely rejected the Cripps proposals. The Congress criticized the right of veto given to the provinces. It opposed the idea of partition. It expressed its displeasure for providing protection to the minorities. Dear students, this was today's lecture. If you people have any confusion or problem, you can discuss with me. Thank you. Have a nice day.